Hello, hello, hello guys! Today is June 13, 2024. Galing kami sa Terminal 1 na iya. Malapit na kami sa Grass Residences sa condo. Inilibot muna si Mateo dito sa paligid ng GMA because in United States, nanonood si Mateo ng GMA Pinoy TV. So, kaya ang saya-saya niya. Tara, panoorin natin. Mateo, there, oh! Naku, nahiya. My guardian alien, Mateo, there. Balitang tanghali, oh. 24 oras. State of the nation. Ay, Mateo, saksi, Mateo. Lilit Matias, oh. Mateo. Lilit Matias.
Gusto talaga may.
Ay, hindi. Binibidyo ako para maging masaya naman yan. Oh, ay, naku, ayun there. Oh, Mateo.
All people are there.
Sige, one time we'll go back there and I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Ew, I hate apples. I like apples. That's okay.
Look at the sun, Mateo.
I'm looking at the GMA.
Tapos na yata, diba?
Wait, why did they upgrade the GMA?
Come on. Next time we will go there inside. Okay.
Alright. Remember they upgraded this one, the GMA Network Studios? They upgraded it.
Tapos na yung resibo. Dapat alam mo, ito pala mga title ng mga palabas ni Mateo eh. Ayan.
Cool show.
Gemini. Dati pa Gemini yung tawag eh. Ayan, fast talk. Gemini. Wish ko lang tadhana. O yan, pinapanood ni Mateo yan. Pepito Manaloto, tuloy ang kwento.
I'm gonna watch GMA when we get to the condo.
SM North SM City.
Ay, sabi ng PF.
BF? Bayani Fernando.
Bakit ba yan?
Eh siya yung ano niya, engineer niya, namatay na nga, nahulog sa bubong.
Si Bayani?
Yeah.
Nahulog sa bubong?
Yes.
Kailan? Noon pa?
2 years ago yata.
Ayun sa Marikina dati.
Andito na po kami sa parking ng Grass Residences Tower 4. At ibababa na namin ang aming mga maleta or luggages. Ayan, ang parking. Tower 4. Elevator. Mateo,
Hi.
how many years have you been here in the condo? You were only 3 years old.
Yes, I
And now
was.
you are 9 years
9.
old. So 5 years ago. So let's wait. We'll go there at 34th floor. Just wait.
We're here.
Yeah.
34th floor. Open.
Open. To the left. Oh, no, here.
3428 is,
Yeah.
is the name of the room number. I think it's right there. Here. Look,
Okay.
but the ID.
No, not yet. Oh, get inside.
No TV?
Yeah.
Ooh, that TV is Sony. Ooh, there's another bed.
Hi guys! Hello! Kakadating lang namin. Nandito na kami sa Pilipinas. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bless. Naka-electric pa ako kasi ang init. Dito, ang init. Hindi pa gumagana yung aircon. Hindi pa lumalamig pala yung aircon. Gumagana na siya pero hindi pa malamig. Kakadating lang namin. At tingnan nyo naman ang aming mga bagahe. Look, tiklok, ang dami. Ito na kami sa condo.
Hey.
Eto, dami namin dala.
Sorry.
Oh, naku, Mateo is there. Very happy, oh. Naku, Diyos ko. Ayusin, mag-aayos muna kami. Ayan, ang dami. Ayan, oh, ayan. Diyos ko dahil, hindi na malaman kung saan ilalagay.
Mommy, can I have my iPhone?
Ayan, 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 ayan.
Mommy.
Ayan, so mamaya.
Wait.
So kakadating lang namin for now, oh, mamaya uli. At eto na nga guys, inuna namin bumili ng mga ingredients para sa sinigang para merong kakainin si Mateo. Grocery muna kami sa SM.
Sinigang.
And then,
Yeah.
una ko munang tiningnan ang MX3. Kung magkano ang MX3. Of course, yan yung aking coffee. 214 dito sa grocery. Ayan, luto na ang sinigang ni Mateo. Yahoo! Hello guys, today is June 14, 2024 at ito na nga, nagligpit-ligpit muna kami today. June 15 naman, 2024 ay nagready na kami, pupunta kami sa birthday ni Ira sa Gapan, Nueva Ecija. Sasakay kami ng P2P papunta sa Plaridel dahil kay Toto kami sasakay papunta sa Gapan, Nueva Ecija. At dito sa taas, tingnan ninyo ang kaganapan sa birthday ni Ira. I-click nyo lang itong nasa taas. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bless. Today is June 17 today. So, we're gonna have a vlog today for today's video. We are here at the Philippines We are here in the Philippines at Grass Residences. So, look at the view there. Ayan ang view. Ayun. So, tara na, let's go. Pupunta kami sa Green Hills today. Samahan nyo kami. Go, go, go! Maliligo lang ako. Sandali, hintayin nyo ako. Tara na doon. Guys, nandito ako ngayon sa lobby ng Tower 4, Grass Residences, Quezon City. So, hindi na kami natuloy sa Green Hills. So, dito na lang kami sa bahay, sa condo dahil umuulan. Kaya hindi na lang kami tumuloy. Supposed to be, bibili sana kami ng gagamitin namin na pajama. Wala akong pajama, pantulog sa loob ng hotel when we are in Boracay. So, we are here now at the lobby waiting for the admin. Ay, hindi, admin ba yun? Yung security guard na tinanong namin kung pwedeng makahiram ng panukat ng something yung metro kasi susukatin namin yung space sa CR kasi bibili kami ng washing machine. Eh hindi namin alam ang sukat. Paano namin malalaman kung kasya ba yung bibili namin washing machine or not. So nakiusap kami dun sa CQ na pahiramin kami ng metro para masukat namin. Eh sabi sa admin daw pwedeng sabihan para tulungan kami sa problema namin. Okay, so later, order kami ng washing machine. Hindi ko alam kung ngayon i-deliver or tomorrow. But not tomorrow because we'll go to Boracay tomorrow. Oh, OMG, muntik na malaglag ang aking cellphone. Kanino ba legs yan? Kanino legs ito? Ito, kanino. Hulaan nyo kung kanino legs yan. Kanino? Wow, legs. Ito ang may-ari ng legs. Hi, Mateo.
Hi.
Mateo. This is a video.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. At ito na nga, guys. Excited na kami. June 18, 2024 na. Andito na si Belinda. Dumating na galing ng San Miguel, Bulacan. At ready to go na kami sa Boracay. Yes, we're on board going to Boracay. Say hi, everyone. Hi. So, see you soon. See you later, alligator. Watch us. Join us.
Because we're going to split up into teams.
Team A and Team D. Okay.
Whoever splits up
Oh, come here.
the team wins.
Oh, Mateo, come.
Team 2. I need to put your names.
Okay, how many teams do we have?
6.
Yo, so we have... No, not
We have 3.
Team 2.
Team 2.
Team Everett and Team
No, Team Mateo.
Team
I'm Team Mateo.
Team Mateo and Team Johnny.
No, Team Mateo is Team 1.
And Team Johnny is Team 2.
I mean Johnny
Is Team 2.
Team 2.
And who are in Team 1? Everett,
ever, me and Mama.
Mommy, ever.
I mean Mommy, me,
And
and
how about,
Mama. We are the group.
and team 2, who are they?
It is Daddy, Lola Belinda, and Tita Yayo.
Itong ilaw na ito, iwanan na bukas.
Hindi.
Okay, guys.
Ano ba yun?
We have 2 teams.
Paano daw yun?
Mommy, Chris Effort Dizon, you are on Team 1. Mateo Jeremiah Diongson Dizon is on Team 1. Mama Blessilla Diongson is on Team 1.
Okay.
And now our teams, too. He'll be back soon.
Guys, we are waiting for the Grab and the other team that we have here. We are team, what is that? What we are
Team one,
team 1
but
and the team
but
2
this
are waiting for them, and
but
then we
this
will
friend is
proceed to
not.
the airport. I do not know what terminal it is. Okay, see you soon. See you later, alligator. Guys, kumpleto na lahat ang mga members ng Team 1 at Team 2 at inaantay na lang namin yung sasakyan namin na Grab car. Excited na ba kayo? O kami ang excited? So ayan, nintay pa rin namin yung sasakyan at maya-maya lang ay nasa airport na kami at please watch and follow us. Upo muna kayo, Belinda. Kasi maghintay pa tayo ng sasakyan. At ayan na nga guys, dumating na ang aming mga Grab cars. There is already Team 1, Team Johnny is there already. Ayan ba? Ayan na ba? Hindi yung kanila. Ano plate number? Check mo nga. Yan po ang Team 1, Team Johnny. Tulungan ang senior. Mateo. There's our team. Ebert, eto pa. Thank you, kuya. Ayan guys, nakasakay na kami sa Grab car at papunta na kami ng airport. At tuloy na ang ligaya. Yahoo! Follow us and watch. See you at the airport guys.